This is the PEScience Alphamine Thermogenic Pre-Workout Energy Drink. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. This comes in 3 different flavors. I picked the sour green apple because it's one of my favorite flavors, and according to the company, it contains no beta-alanine or creatine, so it can be used by both men and women. When you first get it, the entire jar is wrapped in plastic, and there was a foil seal on top, and there is an anti-moisture pack inside of there, along with the scoops so that you can get the exact serving amount that you need. There are 60 scoops inside of this container, and the serving amount is either 1 or 2 scoops. So this is going to last me for at least a month, which I think is great. I was actually surprised to see that the jar is filled almost all the way to the top. I'm an energy drink nut. I have to have a can or a container or something every day, because that's just what I like. As with anything energy oriented like this, you're going to want to read the directions and make sure that this is right for you. So on the back here, it gives you a serving size of 2 scoops and 30 servings per container. Just make sure you go over the ingredients so you know what it contains and what it doesn't contain. I'm always trying to lose some weight, and I hope this helps me in my never-ending journey. So let me show you my favorite way to make this my recipe. I like to put 2 scoops into a 1-liter bottle. Now I like the taste of this alone. It has a decent apple taste, especially if you're using the 6 to 8 ounces as they recommend. But since I'm using a 33-ounce bottle instead of their recommended 6 to 8 ounces, the taste kind of gets diluted, so I will add a packet of apple flavoring to it from one of my favorite sticks, and that gets me the full apple taste I'm looking for. You can see when I put the 2 scoops in before I added the apple flavoring, it's almost colorless, which I like. Now that I added my drink mix to it, I got a nice green color. Everyone's going to have their own way of making this to the taste that suits them. I usually drink 4 liters of water a day, so this is my way of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm around 255 pounds right now, and I've been using this for 3 days, once in the morning and once in the evening if I have to go out. I definitely get an energy pick-me-up from it, and absolutely no jitters in my case. This was perfect to take with me for an extra boost when I went to band practice this week. Get me through practice. There's about 8 ounces right there into a cup. If you just want to try it this way, let me put 1 scoop in there. I just want you to see what the coloring looks like. Get my little mixer going. And you can see it's almost colorless. Actually, has a great taste this way. I like this taste. So there you go. Full container, energy boost. Tastes great to me. I like it. Very nice.